Say hi.
Hi.
You gonna wave? Hey y'all, it's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. If you're new, please consider subscribing and tap the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. In today's video, I'll be sharing a quick, cute, and simple toddler hairstyle tutorial. This toddler hairstyle is for my mamas out there who don't know how to braid but need a hairstyle that's going to last at least a week. Everything I use will be linked in the description box, and if you're interested in seeing how I achieve this toddler hairstyle, just keep on watching.
Songs about you, praise you through a million melodies, serve through 100 harmonies, or I could sing to crowds of souls about you, and I will, if it's your will. I don't wanna pave my own path, need to wait on what you planned for me, on what you have for me. Just gonna have to see it unfold in one accord. The control is with you, Lord. So I'm gonna wait on you, wait on you. No, I'll be just fine if everything's alright when I wait on you. Wait on
This is flesh of my flesh and bone of my bone. She shall be called woman. It was all woman when you saw me. Real people in this room.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly about the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment.
So these are the results. I hope y'all enjoyed this Toddler hairstyle tutorial and that it was helpful and easy to draw some inspiration from. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all your people. And until next time, I'll talk to y'all later.
Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah.